Hello humans and bad babies, welcome back to my channel.
In today's video we're going to be creating 3 different Christmas decor items for your festive season. The first project we're going to do is make Christmas tree ornaments out of old light bulbs. And so for that I need the help from 4 little elves.
Mila, Grandma, Tristan, Matilda.
This is a super fun activity for everybody of all ages to do because really there's no limit to what you can come up with. I prepped all the bulbs with white chalk paint as a blank canvas to start working on. I made a couple of examples just to show the kids, but as you'll see they have absolutely no problem coming up with their own creative, amazing ideas.
So short and thin, when it is so tired, it drops and then I win. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay.
This is the box jellyfish and his name is Gorpy Q. What I got here is Jelly McGorpy, multicolored bomb, and Bommy.
Balmy, are they going to go on your Christmas tree?
Yep.
You happy with your snowman? Looks pretty cool.
I've got a snowman.
Yeah.
And then I've got just this thing.
His name is Daisuke. He's Japanese and he's a king. That's why he has a crown. And this is just an ornament that I just made with little stars and different colors. Yep. Merry Christmas!
So now we have decorations to dress our Christmas tree. Now we need a Christmas tree. I'm going to make a hanging Christmas tree. So for this, you're going to need a faggot of 5 sticks, about 1 meter long, some hessian twine, a glue gun, some thin scrap wood, and a marker. So this is what we're going to be making. The longest stick is going to be 60 centimeters, going all the way up to 10 centimeters. Each stick is going to reduce by 5 centimeters. Then we're going to put a spacer of 2 centimeters in between each. And you'll end up with something like this. Find the center of each of the stick and drill a hole so we can thread our string through. I also made 2 size 10 centimeters because one's going to be at the bottom and secure the whole thing. Cut 2 star shapes out of the scrap wood. Take one of your spacer beads and glue it to one star, and when that's set, glue it the other star on top. Measure enough string to double up on itself. I used about 2 meters of string. Then you take the smallest bit on the bottom, push the loop through, grab the other 2 long pieces and pull it through and pull it tight. With the 2 ends, just cover it all with hot glue and roll it. It's hot, but roll it so you've got a nice sharp point to easily pull through the holes. Now you're going to alternate in ascending size order from 60 down to 10 with a 2 centimeter spacer in between each. I put a couple of extra spaces between the 10 centimeter stick and the star. Then I just tied a couple of knots and a loop in the top so I can hang it and cut off the hard gluey pointy bit. The last project in this Christmas special, we're going to make a little sign that says Santa stop here. So we're going to need some thin scrap board. I've got some balsa wood. I've got some nano mini Lego, and I've got some old toothbrushes. The toothbrush are going to become Christmas trees. The first coat I did a light green, the second coat I did a darker green, and then I painted the trunks brown. I cut the wood board down 10 by 12 centimeters, cut off the trees to the desired height, cut the wood frame for all 4 sides and glued it all in place. and then painted the frame red. I glued little foam baubles onto the trees. You might want to use little beads for this because these are a bit big. They looked a little bit like orange trees, so I decided to paint them gold. Next, I wrote a Santa Stop Here message in black marker and went over it again with black acrylic paint to make it shiny. I thought, let's add a bit more bling to this, so then I decided to add red glitter to the frame. I glued the trees in place, drew a little star on top of one of the trees and painted it gold, glued string onto the back, and then highlighted the text with some white paint. So much for watching. Have a wonderful Christmas 2020. Stay safe, stay socially distanced, and be as close to your loved ones as you possibly can. I just want to give you one update on my pet DIYs video that I filmed. I'll link up here. Give you a pup date. So Mama Cheryl has found a new home, as has Bernie, as has Willis, as has Sydney. The only one left is little Nancy. So Nancy might be having Christmas with us this year. But Nancy looks like the emoji doll. Don't you, Schmancy? Anyway, Merry Christmas.